How to appeal a TWIC card disqualification.
Hello viewers. Today, we're diving into the process of appealing a TWIC, Transportation Worker Identification Credential, card disqualification. If you've been denied this card but believe you qualify, it's crucial to know the steps to take to appeal the decision.
What is a TWIC card?
A TWIC card is a credential that provides unescorted access to secure areas of maritime facilities and vessels regulated by the Maritime Transportation Security Act, MTSA. It is essential for many professionals working in maritime environments.
Why might you be disqualified?
Being disqualified from receiving a TWIC card could be due to a variety of reasons such as criminal background. Specific convictions might disqualify someone. Immigration status. Not being in the correct status can lead to disqualification. Providing false information. This can be seen as a breach of trust. Outstanding wants or warrants. Having outstanding warrants can lead to disqualification.
How do you appeal?
If you believe you've been wrongly disqualified, you can appeal. Here are the steps. 1. Timely appeal. You usually have 60 days from receiving the disqualification notice to file an appeal. 2. Gather supporting documents. This includes any legal documentation or other evidence that counters the reasons stated for your disqualification. 3. Submit a written statement. Detail the reasons for your appeal and provide any supporting evidence. 4. Wait for a response. Once you've submitted your appeal, you'll have to wait for the TSA to review and make a decision.
What if the appeal is denied?
If your appeal is denied, you have one more option, the waiver process. This process is a bit different from the appeal. 1. Submit a waiver request. Explain why you believe a waiver should be granted in your case. 2. Provide additional documents. This might include rehabilitation records, character references, or any other pertinent information. 3. Wait for a waiver decision. The TSA will then review your waiver request and provide a final decision. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, being disqualified doesn't mean it's the end of the road. Understand your rights and the processes available to you, and stay informed. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in navigating your TWIC card appeal process. Safe travels!